At Chamberlain, we created our unique Immersion Skills event, a 2-day in-person experience held right before your practicum. It's your chance to practice essential clinical skills in a supportive environment, so you can step into your first day of clinicals with confidence.
We have stations here that are designed to expose our students to common practices that they may see in the practicum setting.
We're not teaching you to be experts today. What we want to do is introduce you to the concept of these exams.
We're all advanced practice nurses, and we're here to answer their questions.
We learned how to do actual assessments on mannequins, which you wouldn't get anywhere else.
I love the hands-on aspect of it. We learned how to do prostate exams, pap smears, collecting cells and samples.
The students have the opportunity to build lifelong relationships with their peers, their students, the faculty. We're here to support them on their journey.